Hey guys, how you doing today? Name's Carl, and today we are going to be installing a new muzzle brake from Anderson Manufacturing. It's the no-rise muzzle brake for the 223/556. Give you a quick shot of the rifle itself, then some shots fired before and after, and so that's that. And let's get into it. All right. So there's the rifle, AR-15. As you can see, Midwest Industries, 13-inch handguard on there, and the stock muzzle brake right there. All right. So this is the before. This is the stock muzzle brake. Yeah. All right, so a couple things. One, I was wearing hearing protection. This is the Walker electronic earbuds, and I'll do a review on those a little bit later. But so wanted to go ahead and show you the muzzle brake. It came from Anderson Manufacturing. I already cut it open just so it's a little bit easier to do this with one hand. And I'm just going to show you guys what came in the package. So receipt, package, muzzle brake, and your washer, and a few stickers. Alright guys, so I'm going to go ahead and show you how take this muzzle brake off and get the new one on there. So just make sure everything's clear, good. We are on safe. Now, I went ahead and I already loosened this up. I just used some adjustable pliers for that. So we'll go ahead and we'll take this one off, and then we'll get that new one on there. Now, actually, before I put the new one on, I just wanted to show you the two muzzle brakes next to each other. So that's them. New one on the right, no rise. Stock one on the left. Alright, so we'll go ahead and we'll install the new lock washer and the new muzzle brake. Now you'll notice the ports on the side and how right down here this is flat, non-ported. You want to make sure that the non-ported side is actually facing towards the ground. That's for, if you're shooting prone, dirt and dust and stuff like that doesn't kick back up off of the ground and hit you. Anyway, now I'm sure there's a torque spec for this, but we are just going to put this on as tight as I can get it. And there's that. So it's really that simple to install the muzzle brake. Now let's go try it out. All right, so let's go ahead and try out this new muzzle brake. And there we go. Guys, well that's it. I appreciate you watching my video on the Anderson Manufacturing no-rise muzzle brake for the 223 and 556 caliber. If you liked what you saw, if you could go ahead and click like for me and hit that subscribe button. I'm going to be putting up as many videos as I possibly can about shooting, different guns, gun parts, reloading. So stay tuned. Thanks again. See ya.